many reasons why September is a great time to visit Washington, D.C., and in this video, I'm going to tell you all of them. Okay, at least 10 of them, and give you a few packing tips for the average September weather.
Welcome to Free Tours by Foot. I'm Camden, and I'm here to take you around the world for the best travel tips, how-to guides, and tour highlights. To keep finding out more, subscribe to this channel, and if you want to join us on one of our walking tours, visit us at freetoursbyfoot.com.
Monuments, memorials, museums, these are all reasons people come to DC, and you can do those all year round. What makes September so great is all of the unique events that let you experience Washington, D.C. as a city apart from the federal government. I'm talking about neighborhood festivals. 8th Street, King Street, Georgetown, Adams Morgan Day. These are all great ways to explore the neighborhoods of Washington, D.C. In fact, we have tours that cover almost all of them. We offer walking tours all year round. The mild weather in September makes it a great time to explore DC by foot. Now, having a shorter day very rarely makes it into the pro column, but the earlier sunset makes our memorials and moonlight and our ghosts and scandals tour just that much more enjoyable.
You'll find that September is a rare month where you can find football, baseball, and soccer games, men's and women's, to go to day and night. Now, I said you can visit the museums all year round, and there is one day in September where you can get free entry to some of the paid museums. A fair number of museums in DC are always free, like the Smithsonian's. But there are some great options that have admission costs. And on Smithsonian Magazine's Museum Day, you can get in for free to the Museum of the Bible, the National Building Museum, and the Krieger Art Museum, among others.
One of our favorite things to do is the Library of Congress National Book Festival. It always happens at the very beginning of September or the end of August. It's one building filled with author talks and book readings. And in fact, starting in 2019, they've extended it, so it's a few weeks of book events throughout the city.
For art lovers, check out Art All Night. There are exhibits, performances, and interactive exhibits as well. The event is completely free to attend. As far as what to pack, December begins the nicer weather for DC, where the humidity calms down and the temperatures drop to something a bit more comfortable. Always bring a pair of comfortable walking shoes and an umbrella for those sneaky showers. You won't need a jacket or a long sleeve shirt for most days. But if you're coming in the later month or plan to stay out in the evenings, a light jacket and layers are recommended. If you're visiting us in September or just trying to figure out when might be the best time to visit DC for you, we're happy to help. Let us know if you have any questions below or tag us on social media at Free Tours by Foot. And subscribe to our channel here for travel videos from DC, New York City, Paris, and more.